Hey, this is Ben with King Machinery. We're out here today and we want to give you a quick walk around on the Kioti skids and tracks. So you basically have two different models. You got the skid or the track, and then you've got two different configurations in each. You've got open or enclosed in each model. Kioti is new to the skid steer and track loader market, but they are looking to grow that and planning to come out with more models as they go along. But this is the first one. They're being very aggressive with their marketing and market share and pricing and everything, because they do realize that they're new to the market and wanting to earn, your trust, earn your business. But basically, as you see, this would be the open rubber tire skid steer style. It's going to be a 74 horsepower. All of them again will be 74 horsepower. Same engines in all of them, just different configurations. And so depending on what your application is and what your needs are as to which machine is going to work best for you. This back end opens up. You got the engine here. So this is Kioti's own engine. They make their own engines and their own products. Again, we get some questions, what is Kioti? Who is Kioti? If you do your own research, there's lots of information out there on Kioti and who they are and where they came from. Again, a common misnomer that we hear a lot is, well, they're just a sister to Kubota, or they're a knockoff of Kubota, aren't they? And no, they're their own company, they're their own brand, they make their own products. Similar to Kubota, because Kubota makes all of their own products and engines and all that, but they are their own brand, own product, a very fast growing brand and product, and very aggressive in their plans as far as taking market share and growing their brand. And we're glad to partner with them. But as we kind of walk around down the line, you'll see the next machine in line is going to be the enclosed skid. So again, same engine, same machine, basically just an enclosed model. You see that this got the single door, but it is a fold-up door. So it'll fold up out of your way. As you saw, you can do it one-handed. As far as opening it up, it'll fold up out of your way to easily get in and out of the cab, but also it can remain folded up while you operate the machine. Or if you're in the machine and for some reason there's some kind of failure or something and you need to get out of the machine and the arms are up, you can still open this door and get in and out of the machine from the front and don't have to exit out the rear emergency door. Again, to us, that's a big thing over the swing outdoors. More and more brands are going this way, but not all of them have gone this way yet. And I think that's a very smart move on Kioti's part to do that right out the gate. We'll walk on down and you'll see. So again, you get to the open track machine. So all of these are going to be joystick controls on all the machines. So you operate, forward, reverse, turn with one, and operate your bucket with the other. They're all going to be a 2-speed machine, so you'll have a high and a low speed on each machine. And as our camera guy jumps into the cab, you'll see he's going to turn your key on. You've got a digital display that will come up and give you all of your readings. You can toggle between screens. As you see, whenever he cranks it up here, it's going to have a built-in backup camera, and that will engage once the arms are locked in and the green button on the side is pressed. Smooth operations. The hydraulics are really smooth on this machine. You see, as we go into reverse, you get the backup camera comes on to help you be able to see what's going on behind you. You got good visibility out the front, good visibility out the side over the arms. Everything that you would really want, in a track loader. You can see easy access, as you saw, the cameraman getting in and out of the cab with the camera in his hand. It's easy to get in. Lots of room. The Enclosed cab models are going to come standard with your hydraulic quick connect. So push of a button, hook and unhook any implement that you've got to the front. They're all going to come standard with the 14-pin electrical connection. And then right now they are all going to be a standard flow. There are plans to come out with a high flow model. We hear that a lot, and obviously you want the most versatility that you can in a machine that you're buying, especially whenever you're spending the type of money that you're talking about spending for one of these machines. And we, like I say, hear that a lot about the high flow, but really when you dig into it and look into it, it's very few pieces of attachments or anything that you're really going to need that high flow control for. So most everything now that you would get in a high flow, you can get in a standard flow. And for the general person, that's all you're really going to need. You know, you get into the mulching heads and all, then yes, you're going to need high flow. And again, there's plans to come out with that and come out with the larger and smaller model in these Kiotis. But we wanted to, again, just give you a quick walk around, show you a little bit about them. We're excited to have them. We'd love for you to come out and see them. This has Ben with King Machinery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Come see us.